welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the Cocoa Daisy collections for the month of November. And I'm actually unsure of the collection name. I'm not remembering it right now, and I can't remember. But this is the one that's going to be available for the month of November. So October was cozy season, which was definitely a very fall, leaves changing colors, those warm cinnamon colors, the golds, the yellows, the oranges. And this one is for November. So it does have a little bit of a fall vibe, but it almost has, I'm going to say it's like a reading coffee vibe, reading and coffee. And there are little characters that I am they're adorable characters. So it's like a fox, a penguin, and a squirrel, is it? We'll see the characters. So if you recall, I do get the Scrapbooking Core Kit with the Simple Dory add-on, the Pocket Page Cards add-on, and then I subscribe to the journaling kit. And so we'll unbox everything so you can have a vibe for the collection, and then I will create one project at the second half of this video so that you can already see it in use, and then stay tuned for upcoming videos using this gorgeous collection. So I always like to start off with the Dory because it already gives you a sense of the colors, the theme, and what to expect throughout the collection. So there's a little fox. You see what I mean? It's like this very books and drinking coffee and very adorable. Still has like a neutral color palette with a little bit of this blue-green color. So here's that blue-green repeating like polka dot. Yellow with a repeating triangle shape. Grid. Oh, there are the books. So cute, see? And there's someone peeking up from underneath the book. There's that green again. It's like a ledger. Then I literally love being at home in my own space, comfortable with the things that bring me joy. So perfectly said. A cute little plaid. There's brown, beige, and that tealy blue color. There are some they're illustrated leaves, but they're I hate to say a cartoony kind of abstract 2D kind of one. There's some vintage book pages. There's the coffee. Hit me with your best shot. Very cute. A gray on gray, almost like gray on taupe repeating pattern. There are some library book tags. A little inkwell with fountain pens. There's more inkwells and fountain pens. See? Totally. See my vibe about what the kit is so cute. There's some coffee cups. And then the bottom, so you get the characters. There's the penguin. There's a little mouse. The fox isn't on there, but there's the coffee and all the books. See, and there's the little characters too. So cute, right? So cute. I swear, and as soon as I know the collection name of the kit, I will put it on the screen so that you are aware of it. Okay, let's do the pocket page cards now. So there was always a title for the month. And there you have all the little characters. And some books. The month. It's coffee time. A quote. And the illustration. Oh, so cute. Really like that one too. And then that illustration. Here's that repeating card. November highlights. And look, it has the tags if the book was checked out. Do not disturb. Yeah, it definitely has a book theme, a writing journal-y kind of theme with the inkwell and the fountain pens. And then the reading. And the coffee. They're cute. And the coffee. Where's that page again? I just want to plan to make pretty things. So cute. There's the illustration again. The illustration's great. This is my happy place. Oh, look how cute. Oh, that's the same page in the Dory. Same quote. That's cute too. There's that string, that leaf. That's funny. All right, to the scrapbooking core kit. So in here we have a washi tape that seems to be like a watercolor greenness. Yeah. So here's the washi. It's like a ombre of blues, greens, and yellows, and it almost has like paint splatter or like watermarks. I love that it ombres, actually. That's pretty good. The stamp. See a little fox guy? Very cute. The die cuts. Oh, there's a vellum sticker. Order Creative Fuel. I wonder if that's the collection name, Creative Fuel. Maybe. Okay, let's see the die cuts. So we have Just Hanging Out, a few tags, a few labels of the book stack, a few labels, fox. Okay, those are all the dies. We have a few blank tags, the enamel dots that are glittered, puffy stickers. Oh, what are these? Oh, like little pocket cards already scored for you. Let's see. So you have the inside cards, and they all look like little paint splatter on them. Okay, so yeah, so you have the score marks. So you just score it, score it, score it. And is that supposed to close it? Oh, it could be. There you go. Little envelope, and then it could be up, and then it could hold it. Very cool. Okay. And you get 1, 2. You get 3 of those. Ooh, I like. Cute. The alpha is like a peach color. Peachy. Chipboard. Low social battery. Rub-ons. I really like the books. Yeah, so you know I'm going to probably do some book reading layouts with this. All right, 2 white pieces of cardstock. And then here are the pattern papers. Do they repeat? Yes, they always repeat. Okay, so that's the repeat. Okay, so you get the library tags, the repeating yellow, the plaid, the illustration in the room, the leaves, and then that ledger in green. So that's the core kit. Let me leave that there because the die cuts are there. Okay, and then finally the journaling kit. Okay, the journaling kit also comes with a washi. This one is illustrated with the little character scenes. Oh, so cute! Look, the little ink pen, the ink bottles, ink pens. There's some glasses, like spilled ink, a little book, and then it repeats. Ah, love. It's very cute. Very cute. The prompted journaling card, let's stay home. There's all your prompted journaling ideas. You get 2 sheets of rub-ons. The little light bulbs, I like the little chair. Very cute. The fountain pen is just great in that too. And then the stickers. This one, remember, when you get the journaling kit, it helps to keep everything flat. Okay, so you use it in your journal. It won't add the bulk. So we have the washi tape stickers. So these are the ones that are clear. Adulting is hard. A home body club. Very cute. You get the days of the week and the dates. Love the little coffee cups. The 2 sheets of full page washi sticker. I've been using these. You've noticed I've been using these every month. So I always challenge myself. And then some more icons. And then an alpha in a like typewriter font in like a chocolate brown color. Okay, so these are the goodies for the kit. I need to make 4 projects, but we'll make one in this one, and then the other 3 will be on future videos. So let me clear my desk. Let me think about what I want to document first, and we'll get started. Okay, so we are going to do a traveler's notebook layout, and honestly, I'm in love with this. And so for the record, the collection is called Chapters. I've now figured it out. Chapters. And I think it's just adorable. I think it's adorable, and I already have, like, we're going to do one layout together, but I have, like, pictures printed to use multiple of the layouts because I just think it's just so cute. I was like, oh my God, I'm already, like, planning, so that was what I was doing. So for this layout, I was deciding because I needed an alpha to make, like, a title, and I didn't want to use the puffy letters just because it's so soon in the album and I just want to keep it as flat as possible. So I busted out my die cuts. And so these 2 are in my stash, and I decided to use this one. So I already did all the die cut punching. And this one is there a name? It just is set 664223. Yeah, because they both say alpha, classic, upper. There's no like font. Yeah, it's just that 664223 for them. So let's get creating. Okay, so I had the die cutting of the letters already done coming on filming, just because that is some detailed, repetitive work that you don't need to see. So I did use the green ledger paper from the Scrapbook core kit, which is part of the core kit, so it was part of it. And the green color worked perfectly, and so I used like most of it to cut out my letters, and then you can see that scrap piece of it left behind I'm using as a layering piece behind my photos. I made a photo collage in Moldiv, which is just the app I usually go to do these, so I can print it on a 4x6 photo paper. And since they were all 2x2, it makes it quite easy and symmetrical to cut them all out. I definitely wanted to have 4 on one side and 6 on the other. I think just because I think it's always a go-to layout for me to have them all on one side. I just wanted to change it up a little bit. And with my title being a big, bold sentiment with this type of font that I used, it was also a striking element for the layout. So the 4 pictures on one side balanced out the hefty, solid stacked title on the right. And so underneath the title, I will adhere the last 2 from the photo collage. And you'll see me shortly add also a quote sticker with the little cherub on it. It was like the little bird. I think it's a penguin. I think I heard her say that it is just like a chick. Looks like a penguin to me, but it's such cute sentiments and everything else. And so the photos are, if you can see, me and my daughter, for some silly reason, we don't know how to use Snapchat. We don't use Snapchat to communicate, or don't follow me there. I have an account, but we just like going on and playing with all of the filters. We do this occasionally, but anytime we do it, we have the best 30 minutes to an hour changing in and out of all of the characters and the funny things they put you in. My favorite are anything that always gives us like animal ears. I just love those. There are a few that turn us into like cartoon characters, which I also think is hilarious and adorable at the same time. And so these are all just playing on Snapchat filter with my daughter, killing time probably before dinner was done on the couch. And like I said, we do it occasionally. And I'm going to do another layout for like a Snapchat through the years, because I have the Snapchat has a folder on my phone. And I even have ones when she has like a pacifier in her mouth when she was like 18 months old. Just putting on the little dog ears or whatever. She gets a kick out of seeing herself too. So it's just something that we do. So for the rest of my layout, I am using the stamp set with my Versamark black ink. And then going around, and you see that pile on the left. I use old stamp sets for smaller sentiments so that I can put it in between each of those little photos. And that worked out good. I always like digging into my stash of stamps. And then the tag that I layered right on the bottom left will have my journaling that I will hand write instead of typing it out. And just having those bolder black elements really balances out. Since our hair is so dark in the photos, you always want to have a little bit more of those darker colors around the page, just so that there is balance is a good word for it all the time. Okay, that will wrap up this quick layout in my traveler's notebook. I love that I was able to go back into some of our other stamp sets and just get a little phrase here and there that will fit, but definitely utilizing the stamp set that we have. I love this one the most. Don't take these moments for granted. Worked perfectly. Some stickers, cutting out letters on paper. I mean, we did a little bit of everything. I am staying away right now from the enamel dots, even though I kind of want to. And the puppy stickers, like I said, just because I want to keep it flat until all of the pages are filled. And then I can go back in and add a few more embellishments. Because I just know, like, if I have to be on this side and there's an enamel dot, it would be hard to write. Or correct me if that's incorrect. Maybe it doesn't matter that much, but I kind of have a feeling it would. Okay, I will leave as much as I can linked down below. Like I said, this is November's kit. It's called Chapters. Please follow me if you are new to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It always helps my channel out. And until next time, everyone, bye!